Here it is, the Indian Chieftain 2016 model, a motorcycle that doesn't just ride, it rules the road. This powerhouse is driven by the legendary Thunderstroke 111 V-twin engine, delivering smooth, commanding torque that makes every ride unforgettable. Whether you're cruising through the city or chasing horizons, the Chieftain brings unmatched road presence. It comes loaded with premium features, a fairing-mounted infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, and keyless ignition, comfort and tech, perfectly balanced with its hard saddlebags, windshield, and iconic war bonnet fender. This beast isn't just built for performance, it's a rolling piece of art. This 2016 model is well maintained, fully inspected, and now available at RK Motorland, Ahmedabad. So, if you're ready to ride like a chief, you know where to find it.